Boarding time is 5:45 in the morning. Hinatid kami ng airport bus going to our plane. Our flight has been delayed for about 30 minutes due to poor weather condition and strong winds in Batanes. It's a 2-hour flight with an in-flight snack and a lot of turbulence. Finally, we're about to touch down Batanes and I can feel the strong winds outside kasi ang alog! I got scared seeing the runway wet considering it's too slippery and windy outside. I hope kayanin ng brakes. Kinaya naman kaya here's my ate looking for an Ivatan. Looking for our sundo from the hotel. We book our stay at Batanes Seaside Lodge and Restaurant. Upon arrival, naka-ready na agad yung breakfast for us. Right after breakfast, nag-check-in na kami and here's a quick room tour. This is good for 4. Yung hotel, very homey yung vibes niya and ang babait ng mga tao dito. Meron ding common balcony yung hotel na pwede mong tambayan, fronting the beach, na super lamig sa labas, grabe. Nag-freshen up na kami kasi we decided to start our north tour earlier kasi baka lalo pang sumama yung panahon. By the way, we booked biyaheng car for our tours. Sa sobrang lakas ng hangin dito sa Batanes, hindi ko nagamit yung drone ko, baka mauna pang umuwi ng Cavite. Baka narinig nila kailangan ko lang iba. Hi guys, we're going upstairs.
So what do we have here? Paintings.
So, ilang floor to?
Pangatlo lang to sa parang lalo niya. Sa kanya, hindi siya ganun katarik. Hindi siya ganun katarik.
Oo nga eh.
Hirap magyatin ko.
Pero,
Ay, bago dun sa pinakataas. May harang na. May ano siya. Tapos ang hangin.
May maghahatid.
Yung isa nga lang.
Naunan na eh. Yan ang gwardiya. Christmas party. Nakaulan sa pangan sa Batanes. Marami na lang. So since 2010 sa Batanes is service to province.
Our tour guide said that these boulder rocks came out straight from the mouth of a volcano during eruption. We're unable to get inside the Japanese tunnel because it's raining too hard already and may water na inside. For everyone's safety, for viewing na lang siya muna.